starting this vlog off with crazy appearance as usual because we're gonna get real as always. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Pretty good. Get ready to have some dinner. I love pizza. I'm a pizza eater if you don't know. Team Pizza Hut because your girl is starving right about now. I think I have a lot to talk about in today's vlog, you guys. I have a lot to talk about in today's vlog, but I am going to enjoy this and then get into that later. So here you go. Hey guys, I'm comfortable. Hair is looking crazy. I know. I need to get my hair done. I really want to get. I want to get those Fox twist locks and also just a cute style because I don't want to get a style. I want to. Okay, so my sister's wedding is in October, but I want to get a style that I know for sure that it's gonna look really, really, really good for wedding. Like, if you guys have any ideas of styles for weddings and also just in general, just cute braided or just weave styles, let me know in the comments below. So earlier I just opened the vlog and talked about what I'm going to do this weekend. Of course I'm going to share with you guys, but I do have plans to get a dining set table and a couple of things for the office. Now my room, I don't know, I'm planning on just adding different print. I mean, it's going to be marble, but I think I'm going to get like a bigger or better, what should I say, bed set and then put everything together. So bed set. But yeah, how are y'all today? I'm so exhausted. Like, I was out for vacation, so that's why the last two vlogs was like home vlogs because I was on vacation. And now that I'm back in full gear of working those long crazy hours again, I can see why I needed that vacation. But I'm going on vacation again really soon, but within a month from now. Actually 2 months from now, I'm going on vacation very soon. So yeah, I'm watching Sister, and we're gonna probably, the next time I see you guys will be in the morning because I'm gonna deep clean the bathroom and kind of like clean up a little bit tonight. So tomorrow I'll have a lot to do in the morning, even though I'm beat. So yeah. Of the vlog today, I am at the nail salon. Well, getting ready to go into the nail salon and get my feet and nails done. So I might show y'all some clips of me actually getting that done today because it's we cannot be walking around like this any longer. Look at the length, the ma'am. So I'm going to get that done and I will see you guys in just a second. made it to Ikea. Here to get some house stuff in my place. That's what our budget looks like so far. Okay, so Amazon part is where it's at right about now. Ooh. Okay. Let's get some more prints too. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. So I got this flower frame. I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Like you guys, oh, you can't see. Okay, so I got this pretty gorgeous picture. I'm gonna hang right there. Oh, it's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Hang it there. That's that bag. Ooh. I got some more prints. Oh my gosh, got some more prints. Oh, they're a little bent, so hope it didn't get too damaged. So I have to get some more frames. OMG. Oh. So these are the boho prints that I got. These are cute. And then this right here. So I just need to get 3 prints. I like the quality though, low key on the other ones, but these were due. And then I'm gonna hang them. I don't like there's something about you see that? The paper, like, I don't get it. And then I got another thing. Some lip gloss base. Some lip gloss base came in. Guys, lip glosses are coming. Yay. Some TKB Trading lip gloss base. That's what I use in our lip glosses, you guys. Yes. That is everything. That is legit. Okay, guys. So it was... Okay, where were we? Okay, so I brought this also. This is the whatever that is, the name. Yeah. And then I brought, it's like a plant holder where you have to hold a plant. Yeah, because I got some plants in my office where I can put that in there, and then it holds from the ceiling. And then you get to get this, and you put it in there, and then you just put the plant inside there. And then I got this big plant. I fell in love with their plant section, you guys. I was so obsessed. And then now we're going to open up the Amazon products. And then that should be it. Everything that I got today. So I am going to clean up this living room, get it back in order, and charge the camera. The dishwasher in the background. But you guys, I am doing a revamp on my brand also. My cosmetic line has definitely some really great prices if you guys check out RaquelCosmetics.com. And some of the prices have really, changed since the launch. So check out Raquel Cosmetics. It'll be linked below. It will definitely be a great pleasure. Thank you for watching today's vlog.